इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अस्मा's किचन। आई एम अस्मा। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर really delicious and traditional dessert Shahi Tukray, also known as double ka meetha. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is recipe card in the end of the video. Right, let's get started with the recipe of Shahi Tukray. Milk 1 liter, bread 10 slices, walnuts 1 tablespoon chopped, khoya. You can get the recipe in description. Sugar 6 to 8 tablespoon. Almonds half cup blanched. Pistachio 2 tablespoon chopped. Green cardamom 5 to 6. Oil 1 cup. Saffron essence 2 drops. So firstly, I will remove brown crust from all the slices. Now after removing brown crust, just cut each slice from the center and give it a triangle shape and keep them aside. After slicing, now heat almost quarter cup of oil in frying pan and fry triangular bread slices. When they change in golden brown color, change their side. And give this side golden brown color as well. Now both sides are golden brown in color. Take out fried slices in a platter and fry all the slices likewise. All slices are fried now. Take almonds in a blender and add quarter cup of water and make paste. Paste is ready. Now take milk in a saucepan and add seeds of these 5 green cardamom, and add 6 tablespoons of sugar and mix it and bring it to boil. Now add almond paste and mix it and keep cooking it on medium heat. Then add saffron essence and 1 tablespoon of khoya. Then mix it and cook it for 5 minutes. Then remove from heat. Now assemble all toast in a serving dish. Then pour this milk over all the toasts. And garnish it with khoya. Pistachio, and walnuts. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like and share, and look me on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to comment below. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.